Check this GT3 RS out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're back out at Pistons at the Park for the first time in a very long time, and we're here bright and early. As y'all can see, there's barely any cars. The parking lot is pretty much empty. Very few people showing up right now, but like I said, I'm bright and early. So yeah, we're basically gonna check out a few of the cars that are already here, and we're gonna be going out towards where the entrance is basically, and we're gonna be checking out some of the cars showing up. I might just be taking photos, I might not take videos, but if y'all want, y'all can go check out my Instagram where I do only photography. I'll link that down below. But yeah, let's pretty much get on to all this craziness at Pistons at the Park, because we know it gets wild here. Yeah, y'all definitely want to stick around to the end. Yo, check out the little GMC Cyclone. Right behind it is, I think that's a Camaro if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% sure on what that car is. If y'all know, let me know down in the comments. There is a whole lot of big power cars showing up, so I know damn well today we're gonna have some good sends leaving Pistons at the Park. Alright, check this out. It's only been 15 minutes since I recorded that last clip showing y'all basically that the parking lot was really empty. And yeah, Pistons at the Park fills up insanely fast. So if y'all ever want to come to this event, be sure that y'all are early, because if y'all get here anywhere past 8, I'm pretty sure y'all are really gonna struggle to find parking spots, because this place fills up really quick. Check this out, we got a brand new Porsche, I'm not even sure, 911, 991.2, but check this GT3 RS out. God damn. That fully matte black and red accents all around. Holy crap, does this car look incredible. Bro, listen to this freaking charger. The freaking supercharger on that thing sounds absolutely nutty, bro. Listen to that freaking Trans AM. God damn, these boys are rowdy as hell. Man, listen to that thing. That thing has a gnarly chop to it. I like that C6 too. Check out all these other cars that are showing up. That bike looks so sick, but then check out that NSX way back there. Really clean. What in the world? What the hell is even that? Check out this Camaro, dude. That thing looks fucking nasty with that wheel setup. Check out that C7 Corvette right there. My lord. That is a sick Z06. Yo guys, check this out. This guy's balling out more than any of us. God damn. That's pretty sick. Bro, check out the NASCAR truck. Freaking love this thing. I think this thing used to say like Ford powered, Chevy made it, because I think it has like an LS or something. Not really sure, but this is one nasty truck. Ooh, that's a sick bike too. Oh my god, check out that freaking C6 though. Listen to that thing. Listen to the chomp on that Camaro though. My god, you got one big cam. He says BB cam on his freaking license plate. That's sick. Buddy. Oh, check out that thing. That is sweet. Brother, listen to this SS. I'm pretty sure he got that gap camera for a reason. Oh shit, he got a parachute too? Oh my god, we're definitely gonna want to check this guy leaving the show. For the first time in a long time, we got Hellabad Garage showing up with his Porsche GT3 and the BMW M3. Usually it's just one car here. But yeah, today we got both of them. God damn. Buddy. Check that thing out. Motherfucker, that thing was loud. Jesus Christ. Here we have the infamous Pro-Charge C5 Corvette. If you know, you know. Man, listen to this C6. C6 or C7? One of these has a gnarly Pro-Charger. Boy. That one has the Pro-Charger though. I literally just heard it right now when he barely got on it. And listen to this bad boy right here. Oh my god. literally gonna be all day, I'm pretty sure. Some big power cars showing up all day. All right, check it out real quick, you guys. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it is barely 8:28. This car show basically starts at 8, but it is already completely full. If you get here anywhere past 8, good luck on finding a parking spot because these places get absolutely full. Check it out, we got a UV purple Porsche GT3 RS. I'm pretty sure this is one that we've already seen before on the channel, but check it out. It has some yellow accents, yellow seat belts, the yellow GT3 RS in the interior. Man, check it out. Such a beautiful car. I'd love to drive one of these someday. And then check this out. We got two of the cleanest S15s I've probably ever seen. A fully blacked out one and then a red with white wheels. Golly, these cars are so clean. This one got some bronze wheels. The interior is absolutely pristine on this one and this one. Man, I like that leather interior. Jesus Christ. Check out the rear end on these two. These wings look so good. He also has a carbon fiber trunk, dude. That is so sick. I absolutely love the way this car looks. And listen to that Z06, bro. Damn. That thing gonna sound crazy when it leaves. Bro, listen to this Z01 whenever he leaves. This thing sounds crazy good. Oh, shit. Brother, listen to this C7. I think it's a Z06. This sounds crazy though. What the fuck? Check it out. We got the red S15 heading out. Holy crap. That car sounds sick. What the hell? Come on, give us some. This car gotta send it louder than that freaking truck, I swear. Alright, now another black S15 now. Oh, that one was quiet. Then we got the McLaren right here. I think that's an MP4. Another Z06. Check it out, we got the black GT3 RS. Check this out right here. We got a really crazy C6 Corvette and a yellow one right behind it, but I'm pretty sure this one right here is gonna get it real good right now. Hey yo, listen to this floor, dude. Check out where this dude has his exhaust coming out from. Hey yo, was that twin turboed or some shit? Yo, check out the mini Red Bull. That little thing's so cool. Hey, we got the UV purple GT3. That UV purple sounded insane. Damn, that thing was hooking and booking. Oh, that man was slipping. When did that guy ever come in? I don't recognize him coming in. Hey yo, check out the Supra that just showed up. Oh my lord. Damn, this car is absolutely... That car was smoking like crazy. Alright, homie in the Camaro running them welds, so let's see if this guy actually does something. Went swinging out of here. Alright, listen to this C6, dude. Oh, shit. Bro, homie's out here gonna cause an accident, I swear. Hellabad does it again. That shit was loud. When in the hell did this orange GT3 RS show up? God dang. I literally didn't know that this thing was even in the show. That's crazy. I'm guessing today was like Porsche day over here at Pistons because... Oh man, is the Popo gonna send it or not? Oh, man, that shit's boring. Alright you guys, so that'll pretty much do it here at Pistons at the Park August edition. Hopefully y'all like this video. If y'all did, be sure that y'all go down below, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that y'all don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.